Top 5 foods highest in manganese. Pine nuts are a rich source of manganese. They can be eaten raw, roasted, or used in various dishes and baking. Amount: 1 ounce, 28 grams, manganese, 1.0 milligrams whole grains. Like brown rice and oats are good sources of manganese. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from breakfast cereals to side dishes. Amount: 1 cup, 195 grams, cooked brown rice. Manganese, 1.1 milligrams. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that provides a decent amount of manganese. It can be eaten raw in salads or cooked in various dishes. Amount: 1 cup, 180 grams, cooked. Manganese, 0.9 milligrams. Teff is a tiny grain that is very high in manganese. It is often used in Ethiopian cuisine and can be used to make injera or as a grain in other dishes. Amount: 1 cup, 252 grams, cooked. Manganese, 1.0 milligrams. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds and pumpkin seeds, are good sources of manganese. They can be eaten as snacks or added to various dishes. Amount: 1 ounce, 28 grams, almonds. Manganese, 0.6 milligrams.